Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2149 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is directly related to your engine's fuel injector power supply system. And if the problem gets worse, your vehicle can develop misfires, poor acceleration, rough idling, and reduced fuel economy. What does P2149 mean? P2149 stands for Fuel Injector Group B Supply Voltage Circuit Open. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the power supply circuit for Fuel Injector Group B is open or disconnected. This means one or more injectors in Group B are not receiving the electrical voltage they need to operate. And when injectors stop working correctly, fuel cannot be delivered properly into the cylinders. As a result, engine performance starts dropping. How fuel injectors work. Now let's understand why this code is important. Fuel injectors are electronically controlled valves. Their job is to spray the correct amount of fuel into the combustion chamber at exactly the right time. The ECU sends electrical signals to open and close the injectors thousands of times per minute. But if the voltage supply circuit becomes open, the injectors may stop functioning completely. And that can cause major drivability problems. Common symptoms of P2149. If your vehicle has a P2149 code, you may notice: check engine light on, engine misfire, rough idle, poor acceleration, hard starting, loss of engine power, reduced fuel economy, engine hesitation during acceleration, and sometimes excessive engine vibration. In severe cases, the engine may feel like it's running on fewer cylinders. Fuel injector location. Now let's talk about the location. The fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail. The fuel rail is usually attached to the intake manifold or cylinder head. Depending on the engine design, the exact location may vary. Group B refers to a specific bank or group of injectors controlled by the ECU. The injector wiring harness runs through the engine bay and connects directly to the injectors. This wiring is constantly exposed to heat, engine vibration, oil contamination, moisture, and road debris. Because of this, wiring damage is one of the most common causes of P2149. Most common causes. In real-world repairs, P2149 is commonly caused by broken injector wiring, open circuit in the harness, loose injector connectors, corroded electrical terminals, blown injector fuse, faulty injector relay, failed fuel injector, or in rare situations, a damaged ECU driver circuit. Many people replace injectors immediately. But in many cases, the real problem is damaged wiring or a poor electrical connection. Quick diagnosis steps start by connecting an obd2 scanner. Check for any additional injector-related trouble codes. Next, inspect the injector fuse and relay. Then carefully inspect the wiring harness. Look for broken wires, melted insulation, pinched wiring, or corrosion inside the connectors. Use a multimeter to verify voltage at the injectors. If voltage is missing, the issue is usually somewhere in the power supply circuit. How to fix P2149. Repair damaged wiring, replace blown fuses, replace faulty relays, clean corroded connectors. Repair open circuits, replace defective fuel injectors if necessary, clear the code and perform a complete road test. Estimated repair cost. Fuse replacement is usually very inexpensive. Relay replacement is low cost. Wiring repairs are usually moderate in cost. Fuel injector replacement can be more expensive. And ECU repairs are rare but costly. Final result. Fixing P2149 will restore proper injector operation. Engine misfires will disappear. Acceleration will improve. Fuel economy will return to normal. And your engine will run much smoother. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage. And comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.